Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. Start by opening Settings, scrolling down and choosing Privacy over here. Now you need to click on App Permissions and pick one of your phone's features like location. Then tap on this icon over here next to one of your apps like Facebook, and pick one of those options, always, never, always using. I will go with always, so I have to click on it, and as you can see, Facebook just gained access to this device location. You can also go back, click on apps section over here, and simply click on one of your apps, like clock. Then operate all permissions from this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!